Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do keto products at TJMaxx. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to go to TJMaxx and do an awesome keto grocery haul and keto products and things to help aid in keto weight loss. Let's show you all my goodies for my keto weight loss, but first, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, make sure you click subscribe, and put in the comments below keto so I know to do more videos just like this one. So I like to give a disclaimer. I've lost 67 pounds through keto, and this is not all keto products because going to TJMaxx may not be the best place to get keto products like food. So this is more to help with weight loss, to help aid in your weight loss journey for fun things. So you may be seeing fashion, but maybe not like avocados. So this aisle is wonderful for the pink Himalayan salt. This is $5 for one of these. You can get the grinder salt, which I like to use for intermittent fasting, the actual pieces. They do have the more refined kind. They have tons of different types of pink Himalayan salt, which are a wonderful keto product, as are the spices to add to your meals. Oh, look, here's one of the big ones. Usually what I get is one of these big ones. This one's $7 for all of that. That is a great deal for that. But I do love getting my spices here. And also their olive oil, just making sure there's the controversy about olive oils not being real olive oils, but this is $10 for this whole packaging, and there's a bunch of different varieties here too for the extra virgin olive oil, along with some hot sauce. I know y'all like having hot sauce added to your keto meals too. I do like the stationery section for my weight loss process to write down my grocery list, my keto grocery haul list, and also if I'm tracking my net carbs for the day, sometimes having a tactile pen to paper is really good, like this to-do list thing. I love that for efficiency also, and that helps make the weight loss process even better. Here's the notebook I was talking about that you can write in. Like, that's so cute. It's $6, which is kind of expensive relative, but you can get these in clearance sometimes, and I'll use those to write out my meal plans if I don't put them on my magnet fridge. Before and after photos and picture frames, also super motivation to see what you look like before and then after with your weight loss. Let me show you mine. Here's the actual course parts that I use these. I pop these in my mouth when I'm doing intermittent fasting. It's great. And then here's a huge thing of organic coconut oil. This is $13. Comparable pricing to Amazon, but nonetheless, if you're in need of it, it's a good one. I'm gonna pass the pasta section, but I am curious to see what their ingredients are on their tomato sauces, if they have extra added sugar, or if it's comparable to having the Aldi, tomato sauce. It looks somewhat comparable, but they do have another great keto snack and a keto food is stuffed olives. Those are great to have as well, and some garlic too to add to your meals. If you need weight loss affirmations, they have cute framed photos here if you need some weight loss affirmations, or a mirror if you need to see realistically what you're looking like these days with your weight loss. Get a full-length mirror. So this section is great. They do have coffees in here, which would be great to add for your keto coffee. You just add some fats into this, the coconut oil or Kerrygold. It's $9 for these Keurig containers, or cold brew also is another awesome keto choice. I love having this for intermittent fasting. $6 for this package. So here is where I saw this from across the aisle. No disrespect to this keto creamer or these companies. I don't know these companies, but I'm skeptical with these because it says sweetened with coconut sugar. That is going to spike insulin. It's made with coconut oil and coconut sugar. It's going to spike insulin, so be mindful that can cause weight loss stalls. Let's check out this keto creamer to see what the ingredients are. Don't shortchange the process. Like, get real food. If you need to have this, great, but really, why not just have Kerrygold butter or have coconut oil or some other fats besides like a scoopy packaged meal? You know what I mean? Here's collagen creamer. Dr. Berry talks about the collagen process of just having extra eating the fats in your steak, like the gristle part. That's how you get your collagen in. You don't necessarily have to have hydrogenized bovine collagen and silica. Like, eat real food. Go get a ribeye steak and eat the actual fat on it. That's how you'll get your collagen in. Same thing with this ketogenic creamer. Let's check out the ingredients. Coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and pink Himalayan salt. It does have guar gum. I don't know what that product is, but this actually doesn't look that bad if you need to have something like that. But again, and sometimes I have a creamer that I like that is a product that I definitely use. They do have sparkling water down here too. Let's see how much the sparkling or spring water. It's $2. You can get it in the grocery store, but if you needed something from here, that's a great choice also. Have you clicked subscribe yet and clicked like for this film? Now back to the haul. Here is more keto stuff. Let's go through and check out to see what, so these chia seeds, I have an awesome keto breakfast video. I will link it down in the description link below. $6 for the chia seeds. This is a great keto breakfast. If you're not doing intermittent fasting in the morning and you want something that's like oatmeal, this is a great way to make keto oatmeal, and I will put my video with the recipe down below. And again, just being mindful of the nuts. Here's some of those walnuts, and being mindful, like peanuts are not keto. Sunflower seed, let's see here. These dried apricots, for example, are not keto because it's a fruit, it's dried fruit, it has way too much sugar in it. Or like honey roasted nuts, again, that is with sugar, so it would be maybe a low carb snack, but not a keto snack because of the sugar added into it. Again, manufacturers like to have sugar to things. Look at this huge water bottle. Oh my gosh, how much is this? It would tell you how much, it's $8. That will tell you for your day how much water you're having. This thing is the size of my head. You would get your daily water in, that's for sure. That is a lot of freaking, I mean, it's just heavy carrying. It's bigger than my head. It's like to my head to my bosoms. Here's more coffee that you could get. These are $6.40 for one of these big canisters too. Totally keto, a butter dish. Okay, not keto related, but I needed some new lifting gloves. My other ones got really dirty and stinky, so these are only $5. For my lifting ladies out there, and I need a new sports arm one because mine is getting gnarly also. But they do have gloves on sale if you're looking for some new gloves. $5, cheaper than Amazon. Here's some more keto foods, would be having some walnuts. These are great keto snacks. It's 2 net carbs for 1 ounce. That would be something great to have as a quick keto snack if you're at work. Obviously not getting like the chocolate covered nuts would not be a good choice. But these walnuts are a great choice, and they are $5. You have water bottles also. Let's see how much the water bottles are. Like this stainless steel one is $6 on clearance if you need to get your water in and don't want to make waste of having plastic bottles all the time. Huge section for water bottles, and apparently yoga socks as well, and massagers after your workouts. Here's for workout stuff too. They have one of those little bouncing boards. I wonder how much that is. I'm gonna have to check. That is neat. You can do it on your laptop or your own fitness bar. I know I came here for keto items and keto products, but these are great weight loss items too. I do love coming to the clearance section, which is the aisle I'm in right now, to check out to see if they have any good deals on keto products or anything keto low carb related. Sometimes it's just added things like cute candles to help with weight loss rewards and not necessarily keto products, but it's a good place to check for cheap keto things or things that you can use in addition for your weight loss. So in terms of a keto snack, I'm going to check out the ingredients on this one to see. It's $6 and it's gotten it 15 bags. Let's see what the ingredients are. They do have cranberries in here, so that would not be a good one because of the added sugar. Dried fruit is not considered keto. They do have a salted caramel sugar-free flavor on here for $2, although I do like to shy away from these, except when I was getting started, because it does cause weight loss stalls, at least for my body. So be mindful of the sugar-free products, but it's $2 for that. And then also some water bottles that are on sale too for clearance for $8. keto snacks to travel to work. They do have little lunch bags on sale for 13 bucks as well. I'm not seeing really any other keto snacks that would be a good fit. This would be a low carb snack. It's not necessarily considered keto because it does have peanuts in it, and it does have sugar, which is not good either. But peanuts are considered legumes, which are not considered keto, but it would be a low carb supplement that I do know some people add into different products that they use. Like a gravy boat. We don't need gravy, but maybe you could have it as your butter boat. It could be your butter boat to dump your butter and things. Having fun, cute containers also helps me cook and makes cooking more enjoyable. Like my steamer for my keto steamed shrimp, I will link that video down below too. It makes for cooking more fun, and having things for your oils. I like having these type of things. It's $4. It makes adding oil where you just don't dump it on there and having extra or too much. I have to have this in my life. I know it's not keto related, but it's pink and sparkly and on clearance for 10 bucks. We're gonna use that next year for my table settings. I've been loving making my table beautiful as part of my weight loss process. Eating at our dining room table and having things, beautiful things, to make the table more enticing when I'm having things I don't necessarily want to be eating. They do have a ton of candles on sale too if you need some weight loss rewards. My cart just almost knocked into that mirror. Oops. Coconut water is not a keto product. There's lots of sugar in that, so that would be a pass. But your teas, getting some sort of like a black tea would not break your fast, and then adding some fats into it is another great choice too. Oh my gosh, look at this cute mug. That is adorable. Oh, I like this one too. Pork chop and applesauce would like that. I like this one with the eyelashes too. How cute are these little dishes with your butter and with your coffee in them? Again, just something to make your keto eating pretty. I like making my kitchen area and my dining area much cleaner than it used to be, and prettier with cute bowls. Like, that just makes it more fun to eat food. Or these small bowls for portion control are super helpful for me. Those were $6 for those little bowls. Same thing for water. I like drinking my water in beautiful wine glasses. It just helps make things pretty. Look, we have cute Kate Spade ones too. And here's a cute little English tea one. You could add some Kerrygold butter to that, some grass-fed butter or coconut oil. Makes a great snack as well. I feel like this is also meant for me too. How funny is that? I'm gonna get that just for the sheer fact of scaring my husband. I think that's hilarious. And it sparkles like my shoes. Truth be told, I'm also looking for some more eyelashes too, to see if they have any magnet eyelashes on clearance. Can we just say how much I love this pillow? That is adorable. I know it's not part of my keto items, but that is stinking cute. This is why my husband's not a fan of me coming to film at TJMaxx. I always leave with awesome stuff, but look how cute it is. It was all clearance too. These cute boots. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe and put in the comments keto so I know to do more video hauls just like this one.